So this is the iPhone XR. I'm doing this video to show you how to put it in recovery mode. Recovery mode is needed when the profile fails to load. So you want to locate on the left hand side, you got your volume down, your volume up, and your side button. The side button's on the right side when it's facing you, up and down on the left. So to do the process, you go up, down, and then hold the side. You want to hold it until it turns off. Once off, you're going to add the volume down button. And you just hold those two things. And some people like to let go of the side button and continue to hold the volume down. That'll work as well, but I like holding them both down, and it'll come to this mode right here. Once you're in that mode, you can plug it into your laptop. Now make sure the laptop has an updated version of iTunes. So all you gotta do is launch iTunes, go to help, click help, and scroll down to where it says check for updates. Go ahead and do that update prior to doing this. So once you got an updated version on the laptop, you plug in the phone and you choose restore. Sometimes it will say restore and update. That's fine. We just want to get it back to the part where it says English, next, United States, and then we want to be able to restore our data. But that's how you get it in recovery mode.